we are going to be playing some team deathmatch on the map Breach. They have a lot of people on their team. Holy poo. This is just classic. This is just core TDM, by the way, if you're wondering. Let me just look over here. Come on, up here. But I was confused right there. Why there was... Huh? Oh my god! Damn! That was a 3-piece. That was very nice. That was a very, very, very nice. Very nice! Very nice! Great work. Oh! That was so cool. Thank you guys for watching this video. And yeah, go watch another one of my videos. But I hope you enjoyed this video. And please leave a like. But I'll see you guys next time. Peace.